Hello, welcome, and thanks for tuning in. Bit chilly out here, so I'll keep it brief. Quick test and demonstration of this large 1930s lap grinder by Peter Dienes, one of the better known German coffee grinder manufacturers. As we said, made in the 1930s. These big 30s grinders are among my favourites. The test is, as always, we're going to do 7 grams of coffee, and we're going to set the grinder to its finest setting, and we'll then grind 7 grams and see how the grinder does in terms of speed and in terms of the fineness and consistency of the grind. So there we go. Adjusters on the underneath of the mechanism, so you take the drawer out. Let's give it a go. So that is about 25 turns, and as I always say, for me, these 30s Dienes grinders do not disappoint. I really like them. I like the way they look, I like the way they're built, and I like the way they grind coffee. And there we go. Really nice classic fine grind. Compacts nicely, as you can see. So there we have it, another big 1930s Dienes. Thanks for watching. Feel free to have a look at the links in the description and at the end, and may your grinds be consistent and fine.